All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the pedal and steering mode in your Tesla for more personalized driving experience, guys. So first things first, of course, you want to access the controls. Start by sitting in your Tesla and tapping on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This is where you'll find all your vehicle settings, okay, guys? Then you want to navigate to driving settings, okay? Navigate to driving settings. Okay, look for the driving section, tap on it to access your driving preferences, including pedal and steering modes, guys. Okay, then, guys, in your driving settings here, you'll see the acceleration options. Here, you can choose between, standard, which is a balanced driving experience. You can use ludicrous, the maximum acceleration for a thrilling ride. It's only available in specific mode, and the chill mode, okay, where it's a more relaxed and smooth acceleration. It's perfect for everyday driving. Just select the option that best suits your driving style, guys. Okay, and then, guys, if you want to adjust the steering mode, what you can do is you can look for the steering mode settings in the same menu. You'll typically have three options to choose from here as well. There is comfort, which is a light steering for effortless driving experience. The standard, where it feels like it's a balanced feel, and that's great for most situations. And then there's sport, guys. Okay, there's sport, which is a heavier, more responsive steering feel for a more engaged drive. Okay, just tap on your preferred steering mode to activate it, and then you can actually test out your preferences. So once you've made your selections, take your Tesla for a spin. This is where you'll get your chance, to feel the difference in your acceleration and steering. And you can always come back to the settings if you want to make further adjustments, guys. Then just save your preferences. Okay, your selected pedal and steering modes will be saved automatically, so you don't need to set them up every time you drive, guys. Right? And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride.